Spain. Explore the stories of unlimited amusement. Turn on the party mood in Ibiza with the best beaches. Row a boat in your visit to see the Plaza de Espana. Admire the beauty of Barcelona, from perfect beaches to its boundless culture. Valencia takes you on a journey of exploring art and science. Challenge yourself to start a hiking escapade in Tenerife. The taste of Spain is something to obsess over, and we mean it. Moorish Gothic and Renaissance architecture will catch your attention in Toledo. Energize your soul in Madrid, it's Carla Gran Via time. Get the royal treatment at the Alhambra and Tenerife Gardens in Granada. Finally, replay your holiday moments and relax in Majorca. Love travel-related videos? Please subscribe to our channel.